you can get on a platform on your own, do it. I know a ton of people who are on Amazon through a distributor and they have no idea how much their content's getting watched. My 2 features have over 12 million minutes watched just in the last 5 months. And I can look and see what are the days that it's getting watched, how many did it get watched this day, and I can see how much money I'm making off of all of those views. It's not a lot, but I can see it and I can track it. I have friends who are on Amazon probably getting similar numbers, but could not use any of that to bring to a potential investor. So if you can get access on your own, do it. Negotiate that that's an exclusion. I almost signed a deal for my first feature. I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't because I made way more money than I would. But in that deal, initially, I was like, you can have the rights for these SVOD platforms except for Amazon, because it was right when that shift happened where I could do it myself. And I'm so glad I did, because I've used that to get like little bits of investor money because they see that my work gets watched.